to go over cleaning the chain. It's really simple, really easy. As you can see, I've taken it off-road a bit, so it's a little dirty, but the only thing I'm worried about is this chain right here. So I got some chain cleaner. All I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray it on and spin the tire. I have the bike jacked up on a bike jack, so this chain can spin freely. I'm gonna get it nice and coated on there. Let that work in. And I take my scrubber and just run it throughout the chain. I want to get both sides of the chain, both top and bottom, and both sides. Done with that, I'll spray it off again. Take a rag and I'll dry it off. Chain's a little loose, I'll have to adjust it. I'm about ready for a new chain, so that's not a big surprise. Clean off that chain guide a bit, just so there's no dirt or minimal dirt in there, since it broke all of it loose. Just kind of want to make sure it's all dry before I put the lube on there. I use a spray-on lube that you can see. It just kind of coats the chain in this white, waxy chain lube. And I'll let that dry for a little bit. Now that's out and dry for a little bit. This is the chain lube I'm using right now. I use different stuff, but I like the stuff that you can see when you spray it on. And this gets a nice even coat on it. Make sure you get in there between the O-rings that are in there and on the inside of the chain. And I'll come back here and I'll spray it on the outside. Be sure not to try and get stuff on your tire. It'll happen, but try not to if you can. And I'll just let that dry. I'll leave it overnight. That way it's dried up on there and coated nice. And that's all it takes to clean the chain.